Get ready to experience one of Europe's most intense roller coasters in stunning 3D. We are at Plopsaland, Belgium for the Ride to Happiness by Tomorrowland. This journey of pure euphoria is next. Let's take a closer look at the extreme design of this extreme spinning coaster. Dive into true 3D and full VR immersion. Move your smartphone or tablet to look around. For the ultimate 3D effect, use a VR headset. Ride to Happiness in 3D. Witness the heart of the action. This is the second and final launch, reaching a top speed of 90 km per hour, 56 miles per hour. This is a Mack Rides Xtreme Spinning coaster, featuring 5 inversions and unique free spinning seats. Because the seats rotate freely, no two rides are ever the same. Every twist and turn will be a complete surprise. Front row. Hold on tight. We are spinning out of the station and straight into the Heartline roll. Let the ride begin.
Ach, leider. Ich dachte, jetzt kommt so.
What an insane ride. As we slowly coast back into the station, you can feel that high-speed rush still spinning through the air. I hope you truly felt the pure, unedited joy and euphoria shared by everyone on board. That shared moment of happiness is the core of what Tomorrowland and this coaster are all about. This coaster features elements like the unique banana roll and the surprising Heartline roll. Experiencing these extreme inversions while spinning adds a whole new dimension of intensity. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this immersive video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more theme park videos. See you next time.